Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am doing a voiceover. Let's go ahead and get into part 2 of this video. There we go. So we have all of these ones and 2 5s. And what I want to try to do, if I do it correctly, so I'm only going to use 3 challenges. So we have this one for $25 from Misfits of Budgeting. We have this challenge, and I want to do each icon for $1. Also, the we're in November. The November Savings Challenge from Cassie J and Silynthia that looks like this. It is online and linked in my description box down below. Go ahead and check it out and download it. Let me know if you do. That way I can watch your video once you make it. So, even though that challenge is online, I want to go ahead and do some randomizing. So let me go ahead and grab a dice. Hold on. So we have, I'm also including this one. We have this challenge, which is save $80 from Divine Savings Co. And for the money that goes to Cassie J's challenge, just to keep up with it, I'm going to put it right here. So let me grab my dice. Okay, so for the challenge, we're doing 1, 2, 3, 4. Any other number other than 1, 2, 3, or 4 will be going to Cassie J's challenge. So let's go ahead and roll. Let me put the money over here. So we got 1. And I may cut this and make this a separate video on its own if it does get long. Right now we're at 13 minutes. So let's see. So we already have 1. We had 6, and that's going to Cassie J's challenge. Cassie J's challenge. 2, so 2. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I may need to speed this up, so 2, and I'll just keep the money right there. 3, 1, 2, 3. 6, Cassie J's challenge. 6, Cassie J's challenge is taking all the money. 1, 2, 3, Cassie J's challenge. And I may speed this up. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Cassie J's challenge. Cassie's challenge. Y'all, Cassie is taking all the money in her challenge isn't even on the freaking board. 2, 5. Uh-oh, let's see who's going to get this $5. Wait a minute. Clearly I didn't shuffle the $5 good, so I'll keep this in front. Okay, that's better. So let's roll to see who gets it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cassie J, y'all, she is winning, and like I said, her challenge isn't even up here. 2, 'Wow, that's crazy, y'all. Y'all see that? Like, oh my goodness. This challenge right here only has $1. Wow. And how many more dollars we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 plus 5 is what? Whatever that number is. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. $16. Okay, let's go ahead and finish Cassie's challenge. Cassie's challenge. I cannot make this up, y'all. Cassie's challenge. Y'all. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. Okay. 2, 1. Let's see if this will help. 3. Okay. Oh. Okay, number 3. Got 6 now. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is crazy, y'all. Like, look at this. We only have $4 left. Who will get them? 2. 2. Number 2 said, let's stay strong for the game. Oh my goodness, y'all. So, number 1 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'll mark it off. So 6. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We completed a full row, so that's good. So there's that. And let's see how much we have saved towards $80. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's see. We can color a number 5 and a partial 5. For this one, it says number 6. So let's see what we can scratch off. Hold on. So I want to go ahead and scratch what's in the middle. Let's see what it is. 3. Okay, 3. Let's see if we can get another. I'm scared. Oh my freaking goodness, y'all. 6, 7, 8, 9. So that means I owe this challenge $3. And what I'll do is mark this off and leave this one like it is since I did not complete it. And for Cassie's challenge, let's see, Cassie, this challenge got all the cash, y'all. Dang, y'all going out like that. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh my goodness. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, $20. 21, 22, 23. Oh my freaking goodness. $23. Let me count that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay, so let me write that down. And I'll write it down on a scratch piece of paper. So Cassie's challenge is for $23. Y'all, I cannot believe this. Do you see this? $23 in just one day for a challenge? Oh my freaking goodness. What I'm going to do now is recount this, go ahead and end this video, and go ahead and show you what I need to show you with Cassie's challenge right here. Definitely check it out. Check out everyone's playlist, which will be linked below. Go ahead and grab the freebie, and it is possible that I may break this into 2 because this was so intense, y'all. I am sweating. I really mean I am sweating. Like, oh my freaking goodness. Like, this was so fun. I need to get me a printer, that way I can print some things. But that's it for this video. And it is possible I may split this into 2 since this video is about 22 minutes long. Don't forget to check out everyone's video. Don't forget to check out Nine Blossom's video. She is trying to reach monetization. If you go to Sin on a Budget YouTube channel, she just hit monetization. So let's give her a hand. Stop by, watch the ads. Don't forget to watch the ads in this video as well. And I hope you all have a great day. And have a great day, everyone. Bye.